Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. We are here again on a new video reaction. I just want you to hear what Sonenkwa. Last time I called him Sonenkwa, and people call, the correction was made by most of you in the comment section that it's not Nonso Ngwa, it is Nonso Nkwa. So he this his reaction is just like what every genuine sensible Biafran have done, setting the record straight. The idea of giving Ndibo, according to Hannes and Ndibo, that always disgrace Ndibo, of course, always disgrace Ndibo, that you should give them 10 trillion because IBB made the revelation. So it's all about money, 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 money. 10 trillion to do what? Not to give them support. No, not to give, because they're not business people. They don't care. After all, your business is making them not feel so much rich in society. Because how can they buy Rolls Royce and you also you afford it? How can they have duplex and you also live in duplex? How can they have their own villa and you want to build your own villa? So it's a problem. They want to see you living a low life standard, so that you can respect them whenever each time they cough. That kind of thing is mentality of our people. But like I said, let me not waste much of your time. All I need you to do now is to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Tell us what you think about it. Let's hear him first. Then if you have anything to add, we can do that. Let's go there.
Adam, a very quick one. Because of the revelation in the book of IBB, Ibrahim Badamusi Babangida. That the 1966 Q is not Igbo Q. Federal government of Nigeria under Tulumbu won the 10 trillion naira. Anya chop 10 trillion naira. Anya need the Ego Nigeria. Ego Federal Republic of Nigeria. There is no amount of compensation that will equate the sufferings of Ndibo because of 1966 Q. Till Aloaga Biafra. Till today. There is no compensation, even in billions, even in $1 trillion, even in trillion pounds, even in trillion euros, that can assuage the sufferings and the things the woman has underwent in this country called Nigeria. So we don't need money. I was expecting Ohanes and Nibo to come up with something tangible, something that is generally acceptable. Anya wuhunde na ateko. Anya wuhunde abireko. Oka akwega na account onye ka ya akwe. Akwo this 10 trillion naira na account onye ka ya akwe. Ahapu ihe dị mma ya ekwe ino. Ahapu ihe bara uru ayi ekwu na akọgheri. Hapu Nnamdi Kanu ayi ekwu okwu ka release ye. Because if there was no misconception about Ndibo from 1966 till date, Nnamdi Kanu aka heputakwe honey. But the one for Biafran state. And that is the truth. I wouldn't treat this country, treat a country. This place is for a country. That is not a country. It is just an enterprise of the British colony. Where they bring this one, bring the other one. Nigeria. Not in Iowa country. Well, in the right sense of it. According to Oxford Dictionary, what is a nation? A nation is a group of people with the same language, that is the same tongue, the same culture, the same tradition, the same way of living, the same worship, the same religion. That is a nation. Is Nigeria a nation? No. So let us not be deceiving ourselves. So why you happy? Now, Babangida has told us the truth after 50-something years of 1966 coup. And people are clapping for him. We are not clapping for him. We are not clapping for Babangida. Because we already know a really woman knows the truth. A really woman knows that that 1966 coup is not an Igbo coup. If I do not them, Nzobu had them. These people are Igbo by name. They are not Igbo by birth. They are not Igbo by training. They are not Igbo by culture. They are not Igbo by whatever. They are just Igbos by name. They were born, bred, trained in the north. So we know that 1966 coup is not an Igbo coup. It is just how do I put it? A paraphernalia to destroy the Igbo nation, to hate the Igbo nation, to call us whatever they want to call us. They say, give a dog a bad name and hang it. That was what they did with the 1966 coup. Even IBB in the same book acknowledged that it was an Igbo man that stopped that same coup they claimed was an Igbo coup. Obienu stopped the coup. Even in that same book, the plotters knew that the turmoil, the calamity, the triggers that triggered the 1960 coup started from the southwest. And their plan was to install Awolowo as president. So how come it is an Igbo coup? See, Ohaneze Igbo, we don't need trillion. Nnamdi Kanu's release, or you look demand, and the referendum. These are the two things Ohaneze Igbo Kweshire Kwukwe. See, release Nnamdi Kanu without further delay. Then, they conduct a referendum na southeast Nigeria. These are the two things. Release Nnamdi Kanu, conduct a referendum na southeast Nigeria. For over the years, we have blackmailed you people. We have done this, we have done that to you people. We have treated you like second class and third class citizens of this nation. Then, Ohaneze ndị Igbo ntị ọ dịkwa. Ohaneze ndị Igbo ntị ọ dịkwa. Use your brain uno. Use your brain uno. I don't understand. Ohaneze ndị Igbo ya na-akwụ n'ekpo. At the end of the day, they come out with ihe na-enwe isi. This is an opportunity for Ohaneze ndị Igbo, for the entire Southeast to say, this is what we want. For blackmailing us for 50-something years, for calling us this, calling us that, for calling when you know that, this is what you want. That is what Ohaneze ndị Igbo should champion. Release them.
So, he called for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He's called for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and that is the best thing to do. That is the best to do. Some of you that know this, our brother here, there was a time Mazi Kanu was all in his lips. He was very, very, angry with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. In fact, he's anti-Mazi Nnamdi. He was anti-Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and then I don't know about now, not because he said this, but what if you know, if you understand, you understand. It's a matter of time. Just put all you need. Let's see, all you need to do is to put your ear down to hear and to watch. If you don't know, you will learn. It's not a must. You must comment nah. Study what is going on. Pay attention. Ask questions. Then, whatever you do, people will say, okay, yeah, you are saying it, based on what you feel, based on what you know. Like I said, there was a time he don't like to hear Mazi Nnamdi Kanu at all. He was against him. In fact, the way many people or this Jews said that Manekpa is the cause of killing and insecurity in the Igbo land before. This guy was one of those that actually believed that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was like that. Then, the same way people are saying that COS is with a bubago, buying people with a bubago, something that that PM went through is what they're doing now, and lying that they have they will have witness, they have this, they have that, blah blah blah. Because of what is going on now, and the level of disappearance of our youth and what's going on in our land, many people are now connecting the dots. It's a matter of time, like I said. So, my people, I don't want to waste much of your time. Like the video and tell us what you think about it. Do you agree or disagree? See you again, and God bless you. Bye bye for now.